What's good, everybody? Welcome to my channel. This is my very first video. If you'd like to see how I accomplished this look, just keep watching. Now, I've already done my eyebrows prior to this video, but if you would like to see an in-depth tutorial on how I slay my brows, just leave a comment down below. First, I start off by moisturizing my face. I personally like to use cocoa butter and my favorite moisturizer by Neutrogena. For a primer, I like to use NYX Pore Filler. Kind of gives my face a nice low even base, even canvas. Now for the eyeshadow, I like to use my BEIGE Cosmetics Neutral Eyes Color Eyeshadow Palette. We're going to go in with this light brown shade that kind of matches my skin tone. I'm going to put that all over the lid. Now I'm going in with a darker shade that I'm going to use for my crease. I'm going to blend that in with a nice little fluffy eyeshadow brush. This is from BEIGE Cosmetics, but I'm not quite sure what type of brush. I've literally had this thing for years, y'all. Now I'm going in with these Ardell lashes in the style 203. They are a little dramatic, but you know what? This look is going to be a little dramatic. Don't pay me no mind, y'all. My favorite song was playing. If you'd like to see how I apply my lashes in a separate video, just leave a comment down below. And that's all for this video. Just kidding. Now I'm about to go in with some simple black liner just to line my upper lash line. Sometimes the glue from the lashes stands out a little too much, so we gotta cover that up. I don't know what this eyeliner is specifically because the label rubbed off. Oop, we're gonna fix that later. And now I'm about to go in with my NYX Butter Gloss lip glosses. This is what I'm gonna use on my lid. So I'm just gonna apply that all over the lid. I'm using the shade Madeline as my base coat. Now we're finna clean up, you know, the little eyeliner I messed up a little earlier. Just take a Q-tip, wipe that off. Now I'm going in with Tiramisu, which is a little more on the pinky side. Kind of pops a little more. Now I'm going in with another layer. Lay it on thick. Breathe, breathe me in, taste my words, let me blow your mind. And that's all for the eye look. I'm about to go in with my favorite foundation from Nars. Now I take a little off the top of the bottle because there's a lot of residue there instead of pouring it out onto the brush. Until you're close enough to taste it. I can give you what you need. I had to speed this joint up for y'all because this takes mad long. Guys, I sweat my edges out. I know they look rough, alright. Now I'm going in with my favorite concealer by LA Pro Girl. This is another drugstore product that you can really find anywhere at a decent price. I'm going in a little heavy, y'all, because it's a real dramatic look or whatever, so you don't have to use this much. We're finna highlight the nose a little bit. Ooh, that joint mad crooked. Anywho, so we're gonna get the chin, get underneath the cheekbones. We highlighting everything. Now let's go in and blend it with the Damp Beauty Blender. This is a Real Technique sponge. I've already gone through like 2 beauty blenders and I'm not finna pay for another one. Just keep blending. You want to blend that out. We don't want no harsh lines. Now I'm about to go in with my foundation brush and just buff everything out because the beauty sponge ain't do it for me. It is time to set our face. I'm using the Laura Mercier translucent powder. We finna bake, y'all, and I'm not talking about cake. Yeah, that was OC corny, y'all. I'm sorry. So we're gonna apply this where we put the concealer just to set it in. Make sure it doesn't move. Clearly, I am not a perfectionist. It gets the job done. Now I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit. We finna slay these cheekbones, y'all. Get them nice and sharp. We want to make sure we blend it all in because we do not want any harsh lines, because that ain't cute. Now I'm dusting away the setting powder that we just put on. This is a BH Cosmetics brush, but I'm not completely sure what type of brush. This is another brush I've had for years. So we're just gonna brush all the powder off. It's time to set it all in. Now we're gonna go in with yet another NYX product, the NYX setting spray. This one in particular gives us a pretty dewy finish. We have finally arrived to my favorite part of this look, highlight. Ooh, y'all see that glow? Who there? Who there? Oh, that's me. Now we're highlighting the nose, upper lip. Gotta highlight the forehead. You know I got a lot of forehead. Now we are highlighting the brow bone just to tie everything together. Bow. I'm gonna highlight the nose a little more. You know I like to glow. Now I'm about to go in with some more cocoa butter for my lips because they look a little chapped. Now we're gonna get them ready for this lip gloss. So I'm going in with yet another NYX product. I really love this lip gloss, y'all. I feel like I wear it with everything. It looks good with everything. Oh, y'all thought I was finished? Oh, that's cute. Okay, so we're gonna go in with more Fenty highlight, and I'm gonna highlight the inner corner of my eyes. Y'all can definitely skip this step, but I think it's cute. And that is the finished look, y'all. Clearly, I'm feeling myself a little bit. I had the fan going, blowing my hair a little bit. Had to be extra with it, you know. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was easy and easy to follow. Let me know what you guys want to see next from me. Leave a comment down below. Make sure you subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you never miss one of my videos. Bye.